Issa, are you cooking potatoes?
Okay, there's the rest of them. Can you reach them? There you go. What are you making? Are you gonna make potato salad?
Issa, what is that? Oh, you gonna taste it?
Nom, nom, nom.
That's kind of gross. Aren't they dirty?
Huh?
Aren't they dirty? Issa, what are you making? Issa, can you say potatoes?
Corn.
Like she said corn.
Nom.
Are you all done? Oh, is that another potato?
Oh no! I'll get it for you. There you go. Here, do you need a measuring cup?
Yummy cup.
You need a
Measuring cup.
Okay.
Yummy
You
cup.
need a measuring cup. All right. You use that for your liquids.
Say thank you, mommy. Issa, say thank you, mommy.
Help! Help! Where's
Oh no, potato!
Oh no!
Did the potato fall? Well, now where's the potato? Potato!
Nom, nom, nom.
Can mommy taste that? Can you mommy taste?
Can I have a taste? Mmm.
Yummy.
That's delicious.
Yummy toy.
My
You wanna
turn?
try it?
Okay.
What seasonings did you put in it?
Mama!
Are you
Palmer!
want Palmer to try it?
Hi.
You want Palmer to try it? Where is Palmer?
Palmer!
Oh,
is
Palmer's
he
outside.
Yeah, Palmer's outside.
My house.
He's outside. He'll try some later.
Bella.
Later.
Mama.
Palmer will try it later.
Mama. Mama. Bella. 2 minutes.
No idea what you just said.
Not me. Bella.
Are you being silly?
What else would you like to put in with your potatoes? Oh, oh, it's okay. I got it.
Say thank you, mommy. Issa, say thank you, mommy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Fair enough.
Yum.
So are you measuring your potato? You gonna drink your potato? Mmm. Does that taste good?
Yep.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh no,
I'll
Potato!
Get it. I'll get it.
Did the
Here you
potato
go.
fall?
Did the potato go boom?
Boom. So serious. Very serious about your potatoes. Alright, you gonna get down?
Potato.